السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. إن شاء الله نبدأ في part 2 12.2 part 2 12.2 arcs and chords part 2. هنا نتكلم على جزء مهم جدا وهو adjacent arcs. Adjacent arcs means what? Arcs of the same circle that intersect at exactly one point. يعني لو عندي arcs في السيركل RS و ST مشتركين فين؟ في الاس، يبقى they have exactly one point. يعني RS ST intersect at S. ولو حبينا نجيب بقى احنا هنا في postulate the measure of an arc formed by two adjacent arcs. The measure of arc formed by two arcs equal the first arc plus the second arc. So if you need to find AC, add AB plus BC. So measure of arc ABC equal measure of arc AB plus measure of arc BC. So measure of arc ABC equal measure of arc AB plus measure of arc BC. Example 2. Using the arc additional postulate, find the measure of arc CDE. Find the measure of arc CDE. Measure of arc CD equal 90. CD equal 90. CD is 90. CD is 90. CD is 90. And look, measure of arc. Pay attention, please. Measure of arc CDE equal measure of arc CD plus measure of arc DE. Okay? CD plus DE. طيب CD equal 90 plus DE equal what? You can use vertical opposite angle. This is 18. Why 18? Because vertical opposite angle equal 18. This is 18 and this also 18, vertical opposite angle. So CDE equal 90 plus 18 equal 108 degree. Okay, so this is the answer. It will be 18. So 90 plus 18 equal 108. Solve. Check it out. Find the measure of each JKL. Pay attention, please. JKL. You have only 25, and this is 40, and this equal what? This is straight line, so you can find the straight angle. This is straight angle equal 180. So I can write these steps. Pay attention, please. First one, measure of JKL equal measure of JKL equal what? Equal JK plus KL. JK equal measure of JK plus measure of KL. Measure of KL. Where is JK? JK equal 25 by vertical opposite angle. 25 plus. Why 25? Because this is 25 and this is also 25. Vertical opposite angle. This is 25. Look. this angle 25, so JK equal 25 also. And KL equal what? KL equal 180 minus open bracket 40 plus 25. 40 plus 25 equal 180 minus 65 equal 115 degrees. Why 115? Because the whole angle, whole straight angle equal 180. 180. Subtract 180 minus 40 minus 25 equal 180 minus 65 equal 115. So you can write 25 plus 115. So JKL equal 140. Equal 140 degrees. 140 degrees. Okay? This is the first one. 2B, measure of arc LJN. LJN. Look, LJN means LJN. We have many ways to find LJN. LJN. You can use LJN. KN equal 180 because this is semicircle. KN equal 180. And this we find it now 115. So 180 plus 115. This is the first one. Second one, you can find minor arc, then subtract from the circle or from 360 equal major arc. LJN, this is major arc. Minor arc equals 65. So you can find, it's easy to find this way. You can write measure of arc LJN equal 360 minus measure of arc LMN minor arc. 360 minus LMN equal 360 minus open bracket 40 plus 25, because this is 40 plus 25. 40 plus 25, so it will be 360 minus 65, it will be 295 degrees. This is the answer of the second one. Now theorems. Which of circle or congruent circle congruent arcs are within a circle, or congruent circles, congruent arcs are two arcs that have the same measure in the figure. If we have two arcs have the same measure, so they are equal. They are equal or congruent. So in this circle, ST, its measure equal x degree, and UV, its measure x degree, so ST equal UV. Theorem 12.2. In a circle or congruent circles, congruent central angles have congruent chords. يعني عندي لو central angles congruent يبقى الchords congruent. So EAD congruent to CAB, so ED congruent to BC. congruent chords ده الكونفرس بتاعت الثيرم بقى، العكس بتاعها. لو congruent chords so they have congruent chords have congruent arcs. يبقى الاركس A measure of arc CB equal measure of arc DE. Congruent arcs have congruent central angle. Congruent arcs have congruent central angle. يبقى أنا عندي 3 parts مرتبطين ببعض أو 3 points مرتبطين ببعض. إيه هما؟ لو كان عندي 3 arcs congruent يبقى two arcs congruent sorry two arcs congruent يبقى السنترال انجلز ار congruent، يعني لو الاركس قد بعض يبقى السنترال انجل برضه هيكونوا متساويين. طب لو السنترال انجل هيبقى الكونجرانت للايه للكوردز، طب لو الكوردز يبقى الايه الاركس، طب لو الاركس يبقى السنترال انجل. يعني الثلاثه مرتبطين ببعض، اي اتنين فيهم اي حاجه موجوده بتثبت الاتنين الايه التانيين.